Stock market power hour is the final hour of trading, or the first hour, depending on who you ask. And it's typically from 3 to 4 p.m. Eastern time or 9:30 to 10:30. And this is where you're often seeing increased volatility and trading activity. And in this intense hour of trading, it really is a great opportunity for those that are looking to maximize profits and manage risk, really, because you're only live in the markets for roughly an hour. So the morning power hour, traders are most active in executing trades based on the overnight news, events, or pre-market developments. While some traders prefer to wait until later in the day to make trades, others believe that getting ahead of potential trends early will lead to better profits. So the bottom line, it's really essential to keep an eye out for the sudden shifts in price or volume that could signal changes in the market sentiment. So the morning power hour sets the stage for decisions throughout the trading day. Pro traders, they will often execute swing trades during this time frame. And monitoring sudden shifts in price and volume is really the key to identify opportunities. So the afternoon power hour, it's the time when traders can also take advantage of these quick trades and scalping. And this is a period that comes after the morning trading activity slows down. And this is typically between 3 and 4 Eastern Standard Time. Power hour stocks are those with high trading volume. There's a lot of liquidity in them, and you really need that to be able to buy or sell your shares pretty quickly. There's 4 different ways that you can really attack these power hours. And it's actually believed that roughly 40% of daily trading volume occurs during this 1 hour period. We'd have to go through data for years to see if that's actually true, but we do see those spikes. So this is going to present a high risk and a high reward opportunity for those who are willing to make those trades. So to succeed in it, you got to have a solid strategy, bottom line, if you intend to day trade it. There are 3 crucial tips for power hour trading you got to know. And one of them is watch out for the red flags. This is when you get sudden spikes or drops in volume. Got rate hikes and inflation rates. All those can influence the price movement at the drop of a dime. And a surge in volume, that may seem like an opportunity, but it can also mean that institutional traders are entering or exiting positions quickly. Economic news released during this time can also cause sharp movements in stock prices as traders adjust their positions accordingly. So for those that practice swing trading, it's really important to know that power hour can actually be pretty volatile because of the short-term nature. We can use that. So make sure you have a trading plan. I actually use the power hour in the morning to position in swing trades that have lasted several days to weeks. I'm going to highlight this again. Caution and careful consideration must always come first before you jump into any trade. Growing industries, these are the stocks that have seen increased activity. And it's really smart to keep an eye on industry trends and overnight news that could impact a company's performance on the chart. Those growing industries present really exciting market opportunities, but you got to do your homework. You got to have a list of candidates you're looking to trade. Don't just follow it blindly. Trading power hour stocks within those sectors that you've identified can actually be very profitable. Company news plays an important role as well on which power hour stocks are even worth considering. Positive announcements like new product releases or partnerships, that can definitely boost share prices quickly. Negative developments like missing earnings or legal troubles, well, that's usually a cause for decline. 4 strategies for handling it. You don't always have to trade this time frame. You can monitor the morning sessions, and when you monitor it, don't position during this time. Just gain information for the rest of the day, right? That's using the first 30 to 60 minutes to gauge the market action. So you can determine around that time whether it's going to be a trending day or a range bound session. Think about impact of after hours trading on power hour trading. So you got to stay informed about any significant news or developments that occurred outside of the regular trading hours. And really just staying informed about all aspects of after hours trading, really, really important. Is it right for you? Well, there's things to think about. It is famous for being unpredictable, sudden swings in price. You got to be prepared to manage risk, make decisions quickly without getting caught up in emotions like fear and greed. You got to have a well-defined trading plan. You don't want to be guessing during these times or trading in general. And it may not work for you if you've got other things to consider, like you have a full-time job or some other commitment during those times. So one question that comes up when we talk about power hour trading is whether or not pre-market movements can be used as an indicator of how the rest of the day is going to unfold. Well, the fact is, it may not always accurately predict the direction of the market once the regular hours open. Hope this gave you a little bit of insight into the power hour trading sessions. If If you don't mind, hit like, subscribe to this channel, and we'll talk to you soon.